Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and I told you I was behind, I had to get some watch faces out, so here they are. I'm hoping you're having the greatest weekend ever. I hope you have the sun shining in your area. In my area, it's grim, it's cloudy, it is overcast, but we're gonna make the best of it. All right, you all, so let's kick this watch face review off. Now this one is by Novius. Novius, if you have not checked out his work, this guy gets down on some watch faces. Check him out in the Gear Manager store. Now the name of this watch face is called NG02. This is a nice analog watch face look. I am loving this one. It's kind of a blending of traditional / modern, so I'm liking it. And always on mode, you get a nice analog look, which isn't a bad look at all, but I'm loving the look more so when the watch face is on. Here's what I like about the watch face, right? If you take a look at it, you got a band going down the center that pretty much gives you the information that you're going to be seeking out of a watch face. And so you get the day at the top, you get a digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. You come dead center, you got a nice ring with your battery percentage in the middle, which isn't bad. And then if you come all the way down to the bottom, it gives you what's most important to many people. You get your heart rate, steps, miles walked around. You also get calories burned, which is a nice look. So I like this layout, very nice. Now if you look at the background, it has a hint of the design that kind of makes this unique in its own right. Not bad at all. But if you go ahead and tap here, you get shortcuts that you can go around to get into whatever application you want to get into, your phone call, your messages. You can set an alarm. Let's tap right here. You can make a phone call. Go right here, you got your calendar, you can set an event. Not bad at all, right? So if I tap right here, it brings up your battery info. And if I double tap right here, you can change the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was awesome. Definitely a great look, but I'm liking this one coming up. The black theme, now that's nice for when you're going out. Stands out, looks unique, very nice at looking at it in the dark. Not bad at all. So I thought the developer Novius got down, you all, but I would like to hear what you have to say about this watch face and if you like it and or if you're gonna go download it. All right, you all. That's going to be it for the video. Listen, have the greatest weekend ever. Have fun with family, friends. Do what's most important. But remember, again, always be safe, people. And I will see you all at the next video. But make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead. It is okay to subscribe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.